Hey everybody, Brian Boyle here. Fifth installment of why I'm running for board of directors with American Physical Therapy Association's private practice section. So today I wanted to talk to you about payment for those services. If you watched the last video that I put out this week, it was kind of talking about defining value and why why we have to as therapists define the value for ourselves. But today I wanted to kind of expand upon the payment for services aspect of that. Listening to Tony Robbins in his interview with Success Magazine, he was talking about his new book, and he was saying there's few things, maybe a couple things like sex, politics, and religion that are more polarizing than the topic of money. And when we talk about payment for the services that we render as physical therapists, boy, I'll tell you, it brings up some emotions for sure. You know, some folks are, the Peace Corps genes wanting to give away services for free, and other folks, want to, kind of establish a fair market value as to, what they're worth. And sometimes you look at these fees and you go, my gosh, these fees are pretty high. And to the person that wants to give their services away for free, they could be really high. And to the person that says, hey, we've got to make payments on these services, in their mind they're going, we're not charging enough. I'd love to be able to charge more. So where's that fine line? I'm not trying to figure that out in this video. Again, running for board of directors, I think, is literally listening to the membership, gaining all sides of the issue, saying, hey, you know what, which is right. It's going to come down to variables. It's going to come down to marketplace, kind of the demographics of the area. What can you charge in that area? And I don't think that a payment system is going to comprehensively add all to of the elements together for every single person in every single environment, and it's just going to be very difficult. But what I'd like to do is build consensus. I'd like to build consensus amongst the other board members and also between the members, and that's why I'm kind of asking you to send me your concerns. Let me know what your issues are. I'll be happy to meet with you in Orlando when we're down there in a couple weeks. I'd love to hear what you've got going on. I'd love to hear what is troubling you with the payment systems that we're currently dealing with, and let's see if we can come up with a solution that at least provides benefit to the majority of folks involved. So again, Brian Boyle, running for board of directors, American Physical Therapy Association, private practice section, in November. I'd love your vote. Thanks. Have a great day.